In the previous topic, we learned how brain, part of our nervous system, can sense change in environment through sensory system so that an appropriate action could take place. Now, sometimes it's not always about an action. This information can be processed and stored. When the information is stored inside our brain, it generates memory. Memory is ability to recall previously learned information. Sometimes this information can give rise to feeling, the way we feel about ourselves, our environment, or others. And finally, it can give rise to thoughts, like what we think about ourselves or maybe others. So, memory, feelings, and thoughts. These three things constitute our mind. Now, there are several other things, but these three are the major component of our mind. So, basically, mind is how we feel about ourselves, our environment, or others in regard to different dimensions of time, including past, present, and future. So, this is function of mind, and mind is eventually a product of brain. So, if we are feeling happy, if we are feeling sad, if we are having some positive plans, this is all part of mind and eventually a function or a product of brain. So, mind and brain, they are closely related, integrated, and actually mind is a product or function of brain itself. So, mind can also decide what kind of change we are going to make in our environment. For example, you had this information that you got a result for your exam and you have passed. So, probably it will be registered in your brain for a very long period of time. You can recall it later that on that particular day you pass your university exam. It can give rise to feeling. Probably you are going to feel happy, and someone who has not passed, they can feel sad about it. It can give rise to thoughts. You can think how difficult was it for you to prepare for your exam, or what kind of plans now you're having after passing the exam. So this is all is part of your mind. And then it gonna change the environment. For example, you can go and celebrate, or you're gonna feel happy. You're gonna eat something new, or you're gonna buy something new. So eventually there is a change in environment. So once again, if there's any change in environment, this information when we relate to brain, it can give rise to memory, feelings, thoughts, which are actually part of mind. And again, you're gonna make some change in your environment. So, brain is a human organ which is located in our skull, and it's a part of our nervous system. Mind is about how we feel about ourselves, our environment, and others in all dimensions of time, including past, present, and future. And mind is a product of brain, so they are not separate entities. So this is all about this topic. If you have any question, please do comment on my videos. You can ask questions, you can give me feedback, and if you want to talk about, or if you want to learn a different topic, you want to hear from me, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to do a topic or a video about it. So I hope you learned something new about brain, mind, and their functions. Once again, this is all for today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, stay tuned, and I'm hoping we're gonna learn a lot of new things. Till then, take care, bye bye.